By default, the host and all the participants have access to the whiteboard and the tools inside the virtual classroom. The host can allow or forbid some of the functionalities during the session for a particular participant or for all of them. In this way, you as a host have control over the ongoing session. Some participants, especially the younger ones, like to play around and move the objects on the whiteboard. Then the padlock becomes a very handy tool. When it is locked, the participants cannot move the objects that you have created. This feature is only visible for the host and can be turned on or off anytime you want. During the session, you may want your participants to be able to switch to different pages independently from you. To allow them to do so, click on the three dots in the bottom left corner, then choose the Whiteboard settings. In the menu that will open, choose the Whiteboard section and mark Allow participants to browse the whiteboard pages. Something specific when working with preschool or elementary students is that they are easily distracted. To avoid that and to focus their attention on the content, you can turn on the Simple View Only mode. You can do that from the Whiteboard settings menu. When it's on, the participants will not see the whiteboard tools on the left and the buttons on the right side of the virtual classroom. This setting affects every participant in the current session, even if they are in a breakout rooms except for the host. Your viewpoint remains the same. You as a host have some additional options for participants' control. You can hide the whiteboard from a particular participant. For example, you may want to play the popular Hot Seat game. All participants are seeing something on the whiteboard and are describing it to one who cannot see it and needs to guess what has been described. To do this, you need to click on the Participants button in the down right corner, then open the settings and choose Deny for See the Whiteboard. The host can adjust these settings for a particular participant or for all participants at once.